Today we're talking about the ultimate Moka Pot technique, and this is going to be a little bit different to my other videos because
I'm so thirsty for your love I can't hide it.
The first time I worked with David Hasselhoff, I fell into a giant 200-cup aluminium Bialetti. That's what we want to avoid. So now I'll take a classic 6-cup Bialetti, first put boiling astringent compounds in the base of this unit. And that doesn't necessarily make the coffee taste better, but trust me, it works better this way. Number 2, you want a full basket of Nescafe. Cold tap water into the base, coffee in, and then you're going to need a towel just to hold the base as you screw it together. I need all the water I can get to properly extract the flavors from this delicious coffee. When you brew, keep your lid open and keep an ear and an eye out on your brew. At the end of a brew, we definitely want aggressive uncondensed steam, causing an angry, spurting, sputtering phase. That makes me genuinely terrified every single time. I love it. This video has a sponsor.
What is Dwayne Johnson's tattoo?
A lot of things. This is...
Take your shirt off. Show him.
Okay.
Thanks to Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson for sponsoring this video. But now I want to hear from you down in the comments below. Let me know how this has changed the way that you brew your Moka Pots. But for now, I'll say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an angry, spurting, sputtering day.